Axio 141-2013-G Limited, YOM-2011, RMV Registered -2013-WP-KV-XXXX, Teak Interior-Original.Dicky Open-Option, Armrest Front Armrest, with cup holders, rear, RPM meter, touch AC, auto AC, push Start.Key, less entry, original smart key, original nickel trim window, door visor, original Toyota.Mirror folding option, winker retractable side mirrors, Android player, fog lamp, original, scoop light, Dicky nickel trim, UV3M tinted, luxury leather seat covers, Teak, multifunction steering wheel, original, dash cam, 70 mile, reverse camera, Japan, Michelin 4 tires, good condition, Toyota alloy wheels, spare wheel, tool kit, plus hydraulic jack, engine plus, transmission 100%, ABS 100%, oil grade, Toyota 10W-30 oil, meter reads 170,425 kilometers, 10-20-24 genuine mileage, 2013 to present date, eco test, service records, all owners, service Toyota Lanka Wadala and Halford Care, new battery replaced, Amron battery, warranty card available, 1.5 year, KYB shock absorbers replaced, front and rear, Taz Company, KYB boot, KYB mount, genuine parts replaced, brand new, spark plug replaced, genuine, Toyota Lanka Watala, all sensors are working perfectly, engine tune-up has been done, gear oil has changed, Toyota TC oil, used, AC condition, 100%, compressor condenser, licenses insurance updated, from 2018 up to 2025 insurance, clear documents, book, original location, Ja Ella, Ganamula Road, call for more details, 0777510946, WhatsApp available, please subscribe, Anchorage LK. Please subscribe, Anchorage LK.